oh, like, we have that one, it's on sale, do you want to see it? And I was like, yes. Yes, I do. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Choyce Tibbitts. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the first place, and if it's not, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in a little bit of a different setup. I'm redoing my room right now, so we're going to be playing with some different video setups. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like all things like luxury fashion, men's bags, shopping vlogs, anything in that world, you're in the right place. So today I ended up doing a little shopping vlog, which I will have linked up here and also linked down below, where I picked up a few things. And I also, over the last few months, have like picked up a few bits and bobs from places like The RealReal. I did a Farfetch like 2 a.m. haul, one of those, but I actually got like a lot of really great basics. So usually I do those and I regret it afterwards, but this one I didn't regret, which was actually like, kudos to you, Jay. You end up buying a bunch of stuff in the middle of the night that you really didn't need. And so I got some things from Farfetch, which I'll show you. Then also Seasoned, which is their luxury streetwear rental company. I use them a lot. I'm like one of the founding members, and I got 3 new pieces from them, from Casablanca, a Stone Island, and then a piece from Duvo. And so I'll show you those as well. Oh wait, and the main things I'll show you are in this giant Balenciaga box. So if that sounds like a plan to you and it's something you want to watch, stick around. If not, then bye. Okay, where should I start? Let's start with like the ready-to-wear pieces. I'm gonna unbox the big stuff at the end, so stay tuned till the end of the video to see what's in this. But I'll kind of start with some of like the ready-to-wear pieces I showed, and I'll also have some cutaway clips of me wearing the pieces. By the way, I feel like I'm getting a lot of questions on this top I'm wearing because the sleeves are so cool. You can also see like it has like this cutout here, which I love. I'm wearing a t-shirt underneath, but usually like you'd see kind of like my black jeans. And this is actually thrifted from Buffalo Exchange in San Francisco. So I wish I could link it for you guys, but it's like so unique. I literally saw it at the thrift store and our cats pick it up. But I'm obsessed with like the long sleeve length. I love that. Anyway, let's get to the pieces. So one of the first pieces, which I'm obsessed with and I've been looking for a while, this was a part of my late night Farfetch haul, are these Acne Studios denim. And they have kind of like this built-in belt, if you can see. And they have the Acne Studios branding at the back with the pink label. And also I loved the cuffed bottoms. They have like this really nice small pink detail, which I love. It's just like such a little nice pop of color for the summer especially. These fit great. I love the way these fit. I've been wearing them all the time. I think having a pair of like kind of like oversized baggy jean, which is really in for menswear right now. Like skinny jeans are kind of done. So guys, don't pick up these skinny jeans because no one's really wearing those anymore. It's all about kind of more like a loose fit, like very like 80s, 90s vibe. Pair of denim, and I really love these. Another thing I picked up, it was actually from a little RealReal haul I did. It wasn't a haul, I got like 2 things. But it's this super basic, but it's this really nice dark gray, like washed Yeezy Season 6 t-shirt. I'm like really all about getting really good high quality like basics right now, and this is like, it's gonna wash really well. All of the Yeezy pieces I have, kind of like my big hoodie, things like that, I wear all of the time. Like I just wear them all the time. It's a really thick quality cotton. All the Yeezy pieces I have are always such nice quality. Like the cotton is really thick, which I love. It washes really well. I thought this would be great for like the summer, also moving into the fall too, just because of the color. There's no branding on it. It's just all this kind of dark gray color. And I love this. So this is another piece I picked up. Another item I got from my Farfetch late night haul is this little bag. I'm gonna do a full review, like separate video dedicated to this bag, but it's the J.W. Anderson hat bag in like a contrast stitch. This bag is so cute. I've been wearing it so much. It fits a lot, but I'll kind of run through everything in a separate video. But I really do love this guy. I'm really glad I picked it up. This bag comes in a bigger style as well as a really smaller like necklace style, but I got the midi size and I think it's perfect. And it's adjustable as well, which is great. Something else I picked up from my like late night Farfetch haul was this oversized Acne Studios white shirt. It's probably totally washing me out right now, but it has like this really small Acne Studios branding here, and then it's a really oversized fit. It has a really nice sleeve detail, and I'll kind of show the cutaways right here, but I kind of just love this either tucked in, or if I have like a t-shirt tucked in and then have like this just kind of open. This is just a really great piece. I paired it with my Acne Studios denim that I just showed you guys, and together, it's like super basic. It's like you can never really have enough of these white, just like different versions of like a white top. It's really great, especially for like spring and summer. And so I picked up a lot, but loving this guy. I've worn it a lot. It's kind of a thicker material, so it'll be really nice going into fall as well. It's actually like on like not too hot summer days here in New York. It's good. Today it was 99 degrees, and so I did not wear this. But it's going to be good kind of transitioning into the fall and then the winter as well, which will be nice. So moving on into the pieces I got from Season. So I think I mentioned Seasons before on my channel. I'll link all the information about them below. But they're a super cool startup. Kind of think of them as like Rent the Runway, but for like men's streetwear and like designer fashion. Where I have the like, not the top tier membership, but the one right below. So it's where I get 3 pieces every 30 days to rotate, and they have like some amazing brands, and they're always adding new ones too. They just added Bodhi, which is a brand I've been wanting to kind of check out for a while, and so maybe in my next recent pickups I'll include a piece from Bodhi if I pick it up. But from this last like list of 3 items I got are these Stone Island cargo pants. They just added pants to what you can get on Season, which is great, because before it used to just be tops. So it's kind of like oatmeal color. They have the Stone Island patch here, which I actually just found out you can detach, which is really nice. If you don't want to like be like that like hype beast, like it depends on where you go. I was actually wearing something that had another logo on it, and so I took this off, which was really nice to have that option. They're kind of long, so I have them rolled up here, but these are kind of a nice basic cargo. Stone Island, a brand that like everyone always talks about, and it has so much hype, but I've never picked anything up from it because it seems very expensive for what it is. It's like one of those kind of hypey brands where it's like it's kind of really overpriced, but like the brand name isn't so strong to really go with that price, but it's kind of just been hyped up so people pay it. But so that's another reason why I love Seasons. I get to pick up stuff like that maybe is a little pricey if I were to just buy it at retail, but I can kind of try it out for $95 a month is my subscription. See how I like it, try different styles, and then return it. And then if I do like it, go back and buy it retail, which is really nice. Which is actually the total definition of what happened with the next piece. So I've heard like a lot about this next designer, and I've seen some of their pieces, and I'm like, this is really loud, and like some of them are really beautiful and they're great prints, but they're very pricey, and it's something where it's like you can't wear it every day. It's not like you can really mix and match it. It's so loud, but like once you wear it once, like everyone's gonna remember because it's that loud of a piece, and it's Casablanca. So this is a really cool designer. I'll include the video of his fashion show like behind the scenes when I watched, and that's kind of how I kind of found out about him and kind of looked into him more. He just has these kind of beautiful like silk printed shirts, which Seasons carries, and so I picked up this one, which is like this kind of Roman vibes with like these like naked people on it, tangerines, like a blue sky, like these florals, and it's just a really beautiful piece. And so I'm not sure exactly where I'm wearing this. I think I'm like gonna maybe plan a dinner or something where I can wear this because like it needs to have a moment. I'm just not sure when that moment is gonna be. So the last piece from my Seasons order this time is from a brand that I picked up before from Seasons, and it's Duveau. And they have just really classic, really great cuts. This is kind of like a shirt jacket. It has an elastic detailing at the back. And it's really lightweight. It's like a linen blend material. It's probably washing out here, but of course, I'll include the cutaways. And it is, made in America. That's kind of cool. Okay, so this Duveau piece is something that I think I actually would invest in because I've gotten a few pieces from the brand through Seasons, and I think that the quality of the pieces is really nice. It's something that you can it's classic and timeless, so every season you could wear it and it doesn't seem out of date, and so I think it is something that I will invest in, which is a great thing about Seasons is that I was able to, like, over a few different orders, try different duo pieces, and now I'm feeling without having to spend a lot of money to get pieces that I may or may not like to try the brand. I've already tried the brand through them, and now I've decided, oh, it's something I really want to invest in. I'm going to spend the money and get pieces that I'm going to own. And I think it's time for the big boy. So if you guys watched my shopping vlog, you would have seen these two pieces, and I'll just show you them now. Let's start with this one first. Comes in a Balenciaga dust bag, which I really didn't have to put in the dust bag, but I need more dust bags, and I know I was doing this unboxing for you guys too, so I was kind of like, okay, let me just get the dust bag. Open it up. So this is something I had wanted when it was full price, like months ago. It's from the new collection, and it is super cool. It's like a really cool basic with like a little twist, and it's like very Balenciaga. You know how they do that. It's like something that's kind of a very basic piece, but they'll add like a little detail or like something kind of unique about it that makes it like Balenciaga. And it's this. I know it's kind of wrinkled. It just came out of the bag. This oversized white button-up shirt. I know it's probably totally watching me out right now. I kind of wanted to show you guys the collar detail because that's kind of what makes it so special. It has this like really cool Balenciaga on the collar, which I think is just such a nice little touch. You can watch my shopping vlog to kind of see me try it on, like styled a few different ways, but I'm so excited about this piece. I got it on sale over 50% off, I believe. Let me just double check. So that piece was, I know it originally was like $750, and I got it for $319. So 50% off on that, which I think is great. Also, I don't know if you follow my Instagram. If you don't, you should, at Tibbitts. I recently picked up like that Prada Beret, and let me tell you, that looks so terrible on me. I'll include the photo right here. And I was so pissed because I've been wanting that like beret for so long, but it looked horrendous. And it was actually about the same price. I think it was like $320. It was like the same price as this shirt. And so I kind of broke even there because I returned the Prada beanie. That's kind of how I justify things in my mind, guys. Okay, this is how I justify things in my mind. But really I ended up spending more because I also got a pair of shoes. I also got these on sale. But I'm really trying to do a new thing where I don't like just get things on sale because they're on sale. I really only get things on sale that I was already looking at when it was full price. And so what happened with these is that I went to Balenciaga just to kind of like, just look around, do my shopping vlog, which I'll include down below. And then when I was in there, I saw the shirt. I was like, okay, let me get the shirt, the Prada beanie, beret. Didn't work out, I'll get this instead. And then right when I was like telling the guy, like, I'll get that, I looked down at his feet and he had on this shoe I'm about to show you, but in a little bit of a different style. And I was like, oh, I love that shoe. I was gonna get that one, but in this version that I picked up. And he was like, oh, like, we have that one. It's on sale. Do you want to see it? And I was like, yes, I do. And so he showed it to me, and let me just open this box for you guys. I can't lie, I already like opened the box earlier, so it's not really as pretty as it would be. But, oh wait, I just realized I don't think it has dust bags. Oh no, it does. And here are these bad boys. So these are spring summer runway, and they're all leather high boots with the Balenciaga toe at the front. Oh gosh, love that. And then they have a square heel, which is like very much a staple of this collection. There's such a nice leather material, and I got these in a 40, which is I actually sized down 2 sizes actually, just because of the way that like the square toe shape is. But I'm absolutely obsessed with these, and these were originally $1,200, and so I went to get them when they first came out, but it was a little steep, and it was also like nearing the end of boot season, so I was like, okay, I'm not going to. But the fact that they are still kind of classic, like all it really is like that's unique is the double B Balenciaga logo and like the square, but honestly, like I'll be able to wear them a lot, even like in the next probably few seasons. I don't think the square toe is going anywhere, and the classic black boot is always in style. So I definitely think I'm gonna get a bunch of wear out of these. But yeah, so this is the second thing I picked up, and at a crazy steal. I don't know if I mentioned before, but 50% off, and they were originally $1,200, and I got them for like, let me actually get the exact number for you guys. I'm wearing my contacts or my glasses, so give me a sec. $639, so 50% off. So good. So good. And yeah, so that's not actually everything from my little shopping vlog. I have one other item, but that's gonna get its own video, so stay tuned for that. But if you like this channel and these type of videos, definitely subscribe down below, click the red button, and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, definitely give me a follow, and I will see you guys on the next video.